So for the past 30 days, I've been using the Copenhagen Grooming Hair Growth Kit, and here is everything that has happened to my hair over the past 30 days. So for a little bit of context, Copenhagen Grooming is a men's grooming brand out of Copenhagen, Denmark, that I have known about actually for quite some years now, even before I actually started making YouTube videos. And I've always been excited to try out their products. And the fact that I get to work with them today is an absolute blessing. And they're really known for their beard growth kits, but they're here now and presented with me their hair growth kit. So they've seen a lot of my videos about things that I've been doing for preventing further hair loss as well as stimulating new hair growth, and they have sent me a care package of their items in order to try out for the next 150 days, and this is the first video out of 130 days. Yes, this video is in collaboration with them. The reason I chose to do it is they let me have absolute free reign on everything that I can say for these products. They want me to be 100% honest and not biased. So without further delay, let's get into everything that you're going to be getting in the kit. So it starts off with the dietary capsules, which basically contain, it's kind of like a multivitamin, has pumpkin seed oil, biotin, copper, selenium, and zinc. Pumpkin seed oil has been shown to have some DHT inhibition properties in there, which is really good for preventing hair loss. Biotin helps strengthen hair follicles. Copper and selenium and zinc, they've all been shown to, when you have mineral deficiencies, and especially zinc, can lead to hair thinning. So a supplement like this will definitely help improve not only the quality of your hair, but help facilitate better hair and healthy hair growth. Now you're going to get this hair growth kit, very sleek, simple packaging, and inside it there is 3 super key items that you're going to need. Well, everything you're going to use, because you can't use anything if you don't have the kit. You're going to get the Moon Roller, which is a 1,140 needle derma roller at 0.5 millimeters, which is the ideal length for when it comes to derma rolling for stimulating hair follicle production. You're going to get the cleansing spray, which is basically just to clean the Moon Roller prior to each use. And of course, the most important thing that you're going to get is the Activator Serum, which is their triple complex peptide blend designed to stimulate follicle production at the derma papilla, help strengthen and thicken hair shaft in the diameter, and promote growth factor stimulation while paired with the Moon Roller. Now, with all this being said, how do you actually use the kit, and is it actually worth it? So I started using this about the 1st of June, so this is taking us right about to the end of the month, and it is quite simple. You pretty much derma roll or moon roll twice a week, every few days. You pretty much make entire passes across your hairline, going up, down, left, right, and diagonals, really covering as much surface area as possible. Once you get that noticeable visible redness, you have stimulated enough circulation to the hair shaft, and you can begin to apply the Activator Serum. Now, the one thing I like about this serum is that it's non-greasy and it's non-drying. A lot of issues with a lot of different Rogaines, minoxidils, nanoxidil blends that I've tried is they can be really greasy to your scalp, and they can be drying of your hair. So if you want to use this in the morning where you're getting ready, you want to look good, and you don't have to worry about washing your hair after, or there's going to be an issue styling it, this is absolutely great. It actually really cuts down on all the time and effort that you need to do in your routine when it comes to this. And of course, the dietary supplement, I take this with my finasteride every day, and it's simple as that. What you may notice is your first few times you might have a little bit of tenderness after the microneedling, which is completely normal. There may be a little bit of localized inflammation there for all the circulation that you're generating to the area, which is completely normal. So the most important things with their Activator Serum, there's no harsh pharmacology there, and there is no shedding phase. The biggest issue with a lot of guys, including myself, when they get on minoxidil or Rogaine or whatever branded one you want to use, is that shedding phase where it has to look a little worse before it looks a little better. A lot of guys see that they're starting to lose more hair and they get right off it because they think, okay, maybe this thing was a complete lie. But this is actually relatively good that it doesn't have any shedding phase. So people who are hesitant, they can actually have some more peace of mind that they're not going to lose the follicles that they already have there. Like for the past month, I really let my hair grow. That's why I'm looking a little more scraggly than usual. And the one thing I've noticed is around my temples, it is really starting to thicken out a lot of the hairs and create more of a solid line. On the right side of my temples, I do notice a little bit of thickening when it comes to the already mature hair follicles that are there. And on my left side, there is a little bit of thickening of the vellus hair formations that were there from what I did for my previous PRP update video. This has been a really great addition into my hair growth regime, and this is something I would definitely recommend you guys try out, because trying to recreate something like this on your own can be extremely difficult. You'd have to get a lot of different supplements. You'd have to get your own derma roller. You'd have to try to find either different oil blends or try to pair it with like minoxidil and inoxidil, and with some of them leaving your hair and scalp greasy, potentially dry, and the potential for a hair shedding phase, making things look a lot worse. It may not be the best option that you want to go down. And this is just my opinion on it. I'm definitely so far a big fan of their system. This has only been 30 days, so hair progress in just 30 days. It's not going to be anything too dramatic, but I'm going to be updating you guys at around the 60-day mark and then the 150-day mark as well. But don't take just my word for it. I did my research on their website. They have over 1,000 reviews that you can search from, which is a really good sign that people are actually using this and actually leaving feedback on it. And the best part is, and one of the reasons I chose to partner with them, is that they have a money back guarantee. So you can get the kit, you can try it out, and if you don't like it or you don't see results, they will give you your money back. That is one of the best ethical practices I've seen in a space, especially men's hair loss, where it really can be predatory and really prey on your insecurities for you to make an impulsive decision, which I'm super glad that these guys don't do. And if you guys are really interested in trying out the kit, I would highly recommend it. You're going to get 20% off. The link is in the description, and you get your money back guarantee. If you use it for any length of time, you don't see any results, you can get your money back, which is a really great thing to see, especially in the men's grooming and self-care space, where a lot of companies can feel relatively predatory for just trying to sell you a bunch of stuff that really doesn't give you any results. This is one of the best ethical practices I've seen, and they're really putting their money where their mouth is with this product, which is why I chose to endorse it. Big thank you to Copenhagen Grooming for sponsoring today's video. I look forward to taking this next step on my hair growth journey and taking you all along with it with a 60-day and 150-day follow-up videos to come. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to check out some of my other videos on hair loss on screen right now. And thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Peace.